Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can turn off app tracking in the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. So in the first step we have to open settings, then look for the apps, and now just look for the app that you want to turn off the app tracking, like Google Chrome for example. Now choose the permissions and open the location. Now, as you can see, the Google Chrome have a location permission on my device, so if you want to deny it, just open it and select Don't Allow. If you want to check all the apps that have a location permission on your device, just click on this button, and there you have all of the applications with the location in allowed. And with this location permission set up, the Google Chrome or any other app cannot track anymore. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.